骨がないんだね。
骨ない。
昔のイルカじゃない。そうだね、イルカだね。シノサウルス。
ちょっとデカめのやつ。はいはい多分そうだよ。そっちが全部。
カエルなんだね。
カエルだよね。昔は何でも大きいからカエルも大きいから聞いてます。
そうだね。こんな大きなカエルだって困ってる。
人乗れるよこれ、このカエル。あ、上にもなんかいるんだよね。
あれはね、翼竜かな。
翼竜じゃなくない？水泳かな、わかんない。なんだろう。あ、なんかシーラカンスみたいなのがいる。
あれシーラカンスだね。
シーラカンスみたいなのがいる。
まだ生きてるし。
生きた化石。これでかいね、魚。レイノスクス。シーラカンス。シーラカンス。
来たです。ああ、そうか、これシーラカンスって言うんだ。
そのままだ。
英語だとシーラカンスなんだけど、英語だとコーラカンス。
誰がこれをシーラカンスって呼んだんだろう。
多分ラテン までやるんだろう。
これがブラキオサウルスがそのぐらいのやつ。
These are the questions that paleontologists ask. And to answer them, they must look for ancient clues. Fossils. After ancient animals died, a few became buried in sediments. Their bodies decomposed, leaving behind hard parts like bones and teeth. When the sediment hardened into rock, those parts left behind were preserved as fossils. So fossils are glimpses of a distant past. They are the key to reconstructing the fascinating story of how life evolved on Earth. The story begins 3.5 billion years ago with the first strand of DNA, the basis of all life. We are now traveling on a tree of life that links all the diverse species that have ever lived on Earth. The diagram used to show these links is called a cladogram. The diversity of life on the cladogram seems overwhelming, but when we look more closely, we see that groups of animals share many features. For example, if we move down the cladogram, all organisms on the branches above this point have cells with a nucleus to house the DNA. Based on the fossil record, the first organism with a nucleus lived at least 1.5 billion years ago. Every creature that has descended from this common ancestor, including us, is made of this kind of cell. Further up the tree, past plants and invertebrates, about 500 million years ago, is the point where the story of vertebrates begins. For the first time, an animal with a brain case and the beginnings of a backbone appeared. Their vital features. The brain case houses the center for coordinating sensory input, and the backbone stiffens the body and provides strong support for muscles. Everything above this point, fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals, has a brain case and a backbone. At the next branching point, about 430 million years ago, the first vertebrate with jaws evolved. Some of the earliest animals with jaws were armored fish called placoderms. They were powerful carnivores, dominating their environment. All animals that branched from this point inherited jaws from this common ancestor. Placoderms inhabited the ancient seas for about 65 million years. Then they, and many other animals, died out. It's possible falling sea levels put stress on their coastal habitats. But that didn't stop the variety of sharks and bony fishes from growing. Today there are